Okay, so guys, you're welcome once again on my channel, and today I wanted to, discuss um, this with you. I mean, Uhive. Uhive is a platform like YouTube, and you can make money as you can see over here. Uhive pays you token whenever you spend your time on their platform. When you watch video, comment, like, and also share the videos, you get paid for your time that you're spending on the platform. So right now, and sometimes today also gives you some amount of money. So as you can see, I received 75 gifts today around 4:18 p.m. Yes, today is October 17th and 15th October. I also received 100 token. So they always give frequent to users that are active, and every month to you also get paid with your earnings. So as you can see, earnings, which was last month September 20th, I got 188 you have token. So Uhive is a platform that is good for you. So as you can see over here, I have 912 token, which is worth 0.000183890 BTC. And also when you convert it to Ghana cedis, it's 6.17 Ghana cedis. So which means one token is 0.0067649. You get me? So that's the price right now. Maybe 10 years time or 5 years time, maybe the price will be 1. And when it becomes 1, which means I will be getting 912 Ghana cedis. Do you get me? And when it goes higher than 1, I'll also get higher than this. So I'm saving this for the future. I'm not going to withdraw it right now. So that's it. I just got it free just for spending time. I don't even upload videos. When you upload videos, you're also going to get paid huge on it. But I don't upload videos. Do you get me? I don't upload videos. Unlike YouTube, that you have to be a creator before getting earnings. With YouTube, you have to get 1k subscribers and 4k watch hours. But with Uhive, when you created the account today, you are going to earn from today when you're spending your airtime or your data on the app. Do you get me? So it's very very easy. So this is what I wanted to share with you guys. So that's it. I wanted to share some of the earnings with you. So if you want to withdraw, you can tap on the withdraw section over here to withdraw it. You get me? So you just agree to it, then you withdraw it. So it's very 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 simple. Just withdraw it to your Ether wallet. You get me? They pay through crypto. So when you withdraw it to your Ether wallet, then you convert it to what? To BTC or any crypto wallet that you want. Then after that, you convert it to your currency. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends on other social media platforms.